Hello and welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial from Slide Helper. Today, we're diving into a really cool design, this custom Fishbone style flowchart infographic. I'm going to show you step by step how to create this infographic from scratch. While the design is inspired by the famous Ishikawa diagrams, we're using it here as a dynamic flowchart. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, I've inserted a new slide and deleted the default text boxes. Now, we need to build that unique fish head and tail. Since PowerPoint doesn't have this as a default shape, we have to create it manually using basic shapes. To make things easy, go to the View tab and click Guides. This helps us align everything perfectly at the center of the slide. Now, let's start the head. Go to Insert, Shapes, and select Oval or Ellipse. Draw your ellipse, center it with the guides, and remove the outline. Right-click, Format Shape, and increase the fill transparency to about 25%. Now, duplicate that oval, Ctrl-D. Change the fill color of the second one, overlap the second oval perfectly on the first one. Here's the trick. With the second oval selected, go to Format Shape, Size and Properties, and set the rotation to about 60 degrees. Move it slightly so the two ovals intersect on your guideline. Duplicate the second oval, Ctrl-D. Change its color to the green color. Now change its rotation to about 300 degrees. Align it so all three ovals are intersecting at the same point. Ready for some magic? Select all three ovals, go to Format Shapes, Merge Shapes, and select Intersect. Boom! We have a preliminary fish head shape. To refine it, draw another rectangle over the fish head. Send the rectangle to the back. Now select both shapes again, go to Merge Shapes, and click Intersect. This gives us a shape that's easier to manipulate and size. Remove the outline of the shape. Perfect! We have our fish head. Next step is creating the fish tail fin. Creating the tail is even easier. Duplicate the fish head shape, Ctrl-D, and move it to the other end. Now go to Insert, Shapes, and draw a circle. Remove its outline and change its fill color. Position this oval over the tail fin shape like this. Select the main shape first, then select the oval shape, go to Merge Shapes, and click Subtract. And just like that, you have the tail fin. Next, let's draw the main backbone. Go to Insert, Shapes, and select Line. Hold the Shift key and draw a straight line from the tail all the way to the head. Select the line, go to Format Shape, Shape Outline, and increase the weight to 6 pt. Next, group everything and add a light shadow effect. Oh, don't forget the eye. Go to Insert, Shapes, draw a small circle, hold Shift, remove the outline, and fill it with white. Place it on the fish head. Our fish structure is ready. Okay, time for our flowchart elements. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Oval, and hold Shift to draw a perfect circle. Change Shape Outline to white. Right-click on the circle, choose Edit Text, and insert the number 1. Let's format this text. I'm using Bebas Neue bold fonts and increasing the size to about 24. We need 6 circles, so let's duplicate this 5 more times, Ctrl-D. Now arrange these 6 circles roughly over the main backbone. To align them perfectly, select all 6 circles, go to Format, Align, and click Distribute Horizontally. This gives us beautiful, even spacing. Now select all the shapes except the fisheye. Go to Format, Align, and click Align Middle. Everything is centered. Next, rename them 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We also need to change the fill color of each circle to give it that vibrant look. Awesome! Next, we will add text and Fishbone connectors. Let's add our text content. Go to Insert, Text Box, draw one for the title. Change the font to Bebas Neue Bold. Draw another text box for the description. Reduce the font size. Select both the title and description boxes, go to Format, Align, and click Left. Adjust their vertical position and then group them together. We'll call this our text block. Now that we have one perfect text block, we can duplicate it 5 more times, one for each numbered circle. You can select all the top text blocks and use Align Top to line them up perfectly. Do the same for the bottom text blocks. Next, we draw the fishbones, the connector lines. Go to Insert, Shapes, and select Line Arrow. Draw a line from the first circle to your text block. Go to Format, Shapes, and under Lines, change the end arrow type to the oval shape. Now we have nice rounded pointers. Now duplicate this line for the other circles. For the bottom lines, use the Format Rotation options like Vertical to adjust the direction. Take a look, our fishbone flowchart diagram is structurally complete. Let's move on to the animations. Our final step, adding simple, smooth animation. First, group the entire fish diagram, head, tail, spine, and eye into a single group. Select this new group, go to Animations and select Fly In. Go to Effect Options and select From Left. Open the animation pane. Right-click on the animation, go to Effect Options, and add some smooth start and smooth end values using the sliders. Set the duration to 1 second. This makes the fish glide in smoothly. Next, select the first circle, go to Animations, and choose Fly In. Select From Bottom. Right-click, Effect Options, and apply Smooth End and Smooth Start. Set the duration to 1 second. Next, select the first arrow. Choose the wipe animation. Effect options should be from bottom. In the animation pane, set this animation to start after previous so it starts once the circle is done. Now, select the first text block. Choose Fly In. Effect options should be from top. Set this to start after previous so it starts once the arrow is done. Right-click, Effect Options, and apply Smooth End and Smooth Start. Now we have a beautiful sequence. The easy part, we just use the Animation Painter tool to copy the sequence to the rest of the elements. Select the element that has the animation you want, click Animation Painter, and then click the new element you want to apply it to. Crucial tip: remember to manually check and adjust the effect options for each element you paste. For example, the circles should alternate between animating from top and from bottom. The text blocks should also alternate accordingly. Let's see the finished product. Beautiful! We have a fully animated, custom fishbone-styled flowchart diagram, completely done in PowerPoint. I hope you learned the process clearly step by step. If you have any questions or need clarification, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon. We have a lot of new PowerPoint tricks and tutorials ready for you. Until then, have fun with your presentations!